Good evening. We have some visitors here this evening, and whatever comes through, for whatever messages, in however of a different form it comes, these are just messages that come through. Don't shoot the messenger. That's just the way it is. We'll start with the dark, because someone wants to come through. They're like knocking at the door, and then I'm like, who is it? You always have to ask who is it. You can't just open the door for some rando. That one right there. King of Swords reveals knowledge of forthcoming battles and procures the favor of Lord and Kings. What does that actually mean to someone when they hear that? How would you use him to your benefit? Or is he a darker side of your light balance? No way, man. Not too many, man. There's so many that want to talk, but they're all very rude about it. Temperance teaches geometry and liberal sciences, makes great noises, and warms water. You got Eligos and Crocel. She's a winged angel blowing a horn in the clouds. And then you've got Eligos, a man riding a unicorn dragon lion thing. Serpent, like what are they called? Kelpies. There you go, these are your other two. They're just waiting to come out. They're like, message. We have Knight of Pentacles. Teaches the virtues of herbs and stones, makes birds appear and behave as though tame. So they're like a trickster. Oh, you got the Tower. Now, the Tower means many different things to many different people. This one on the card, it says promoter of discord, war, arguments, and falsehood. So someone's lying. Gives generous responses. So someone that's going to have, like, you got a truth teller, like spilling the beans about a situation. And someone's worried about it. And I'm like, you're sending in like what energy to try to stop it? Why? I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about everyone's energy out there. None of this is for you or about you. I'm reading everyone's energy. So you take it as it resonates. So if you're listening to this and you're thinking it's, oh, she's talking about me. No, I'm talking about no one. No one in particular, no one that you know, no one that I know. Because this is a message for an energy that needs to hear it. That they can move on and help themselves grow into the better version of themselves than thinking about the past. Come on, fucking move on already. What's wrong with you? Clinging on like for some hope. You know, fuck off already. Like it's over. Just move on with your life. that's how you do it. That's how you be happy, is that you move on. You have those tower moments in your life to teach you a lesson on how to move on for yourself. And it doesn't necessarily, it could be an argument, it could be a friendship coming to an end, right? That's the tower. It could mean that you lose everyone around you. That's a tower. Is that an internal war? Do you go through an emotional war? Do you go through a psychological war? Do you go through, a reality war within yourself? That's what a tower means. It doesn't necessarily mean something bad is going to happen. It's a conflict within yourself and how you change, because you're an energy being, just like everyone else. And everyone else may be going through the exact same thing in their own personal lives. And how many people are on this earth? Lots. So it's not all about you. Right? There's many other people in this earth that I'm trying to help. So please allow it to be. Thank you. So this energy of the Tower, of the King of Swords, right? You've gotta let go of things. Release yourself. Internal wars with yourself, you have to heal personally. You have to meditate. You have to just be aware of people around you. Energy reading. Thank you. I will take you. Contract. Justice. You have, that's my son in the background. Just give me a moment, please. He means no harm. He's just excited. He's doing something that he enjoys. Thank you for your patience. So, contracts, something coming forward. Justice. So there you go. You got justice. Justice coming your way. Both. There you go. Whatever sign, take it as it is. It's for everyone that is going through this energy. It is not directed at one person. So you're thinking that you're wrong. There's a song about that, where you think this song is about you, don't you? Don't you? Look it up if you don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, you have justice coming your way. Congratulations.